Hello everyone, today let's talk about AI in studies and AI in real life problem solving. Today, this one is going to be really interesting and this is going to be really futuristic as well. Everyday things, just simple things that you do every single day that can be incorporated with AI. And this is not a joke. Every single thing that you do can be incorporated with AI. And can I just tell you, people, 99 percentage, yes, 99 percentage of you guys are using AI the wrong way. You don't know the basics of AI. That's the reason you use AI the wrong way. And here I am to tell you what to do with AI and how can you actually make AI your best buddy and how can you actually use AI to make your works 1,000 times easier. This one is going to be interesting. So let me just start off with what you do with your basic stuff. So like your basic stuff, let's take maybe notes taking. You got notebook LM. That is important for your notes taking. You want to create an image. Let's say we are going to be using Midjourney and we are also going to be using the Nano Banana Tech of Google Gemini. Take your pick. And what about the other things? Maybe studies, go to ChatGPT, go to study mode, and here you go. If you want to make your own timetable, go to Perplexity, ask it for your timetable, here will go. And another thing, as you grow up, as you go to college, you'll be having a lot of things called as these thesis papers, research papers, and a lot of stuff like that. But you just cannot review an entire paper or you cannot write an entire paper. You're going to be incorporating AI into it to make your words very easy. And as you all know, our 10th standard board exam students have just going to be writing their board exam today, the AI board exam today. They could have incorporated AI in AI to study about AI. That is the magic of AI, and that is just it, people. So, this is exactly in different things and different ways how we can actually incorporate AI in your real life things. So, take a paper, just add it or like attach it to ChatGPT, ask it to summarize this into tabular columns. That is going to be very easy because you have a paper of 300 pages. You are going to be categorizing it into different categories and you are going to be having it just this case. And that is just how easy things are going to be when you are going to be incorporating AI with a lot of things like these. And also is web development. You can use AI tools to create a full stack entire web platform. Both front end and back end work can be done with the help of AI with some basic knowledge of coding or with some basic knowledge of using AI. With just this knowledge, you'll be able to create a full end, both front end and back end website on your own in just a few minutes. And that's how exactly easy things are getting. And here, when I actually read about a study, they say that in almost 2 years and 10 months, 30 crore jobs, yes, 30 crore jobs are going to be used right now. They are going to be. I just read a study in which they say in just 2 years and 10 months, 30 crore jobs are going to be taken away by AI. I'm not saying about those corporate jobs, those actual IT jobs, they are going to be taken away as well. But I'm talking about all of those watchmen and everyone, all of their work are made easy. Their work are being replaced slowly by AI. You got AI defense mechanism, AI security platforms, and everything is AI right now. One thing I say to you guys is that use AI or AI will beat you. In this race between human and AI, you don't have to run faster than the AI. You just have to take him as your best companion, and that is just one important point I'm telling you. When it comes to studies, AI in studies, let me tell you one important thing is that use Chat GPT. Your Chat GPT or Alpha.ai, these are just really important platforms. And let me just tell you guys, go to alpha.org or alpha.ai. This is a platform that's meant for AI in studies. You just attach your notes, like your PDF, to this alpha.ai, and it is going to be asking you different MCQs from that alpha.a, he's going to be giving you four different options. The question, you just choose one. If it is wrong, it tells you what the solution is. If it is right, then you move on to the next question. Just like this, you have different types of questions which you can answer. Short answers, long answers, conceptual based questions, and a lot of things like this. And this is just the beginning. AI is on its boom and will be on its boom. You have to be studying AI from this age for you to keep up. And that is all for today. I'll meet you all tomorrow in a new video. And bye, see you later. It's me, Ashwan, signing off. Peace out.